Okay, good day to everyone. The topic that I will be discussed to you is all about interpretation of the kitchen. The part of the house where the homemaker spends most of her time in preparing, cooking, and serving meals for the family. Efficiency can be achieved by arranging the work areas wherein the one working can move one area to another without retracting back the steps. Understanding the basic kitchen layout. Understanding the basic principles of kitchen layout will help take much of the mystery out of the design process. One of the most basic layout principle is the work triangle. The work triangle is an imaginary line drawn from each of the three primary workstations in the kitchen: the food storage, preparation, cooking, and cleanup station 1, 2, 3. By drawing these lines, you can assess the distance required to move to and from each area and thus determine how well the traffic will flow. To help avoid traffic flow problems, work triangle should have the perimeter that measures less than 26 feet. The three primary kitchen workstations which create the work triangle are: food storage station, number 1. Your refrigerator and pantry are the major items here. Cabinetry like Lazy Susan or swing out pantry units adds function and convenience. Options like wine racks, spice racks, and roll-out trays help to organize your groceries. Preparation cooking, number 2, cooking station. Your range, oven, microwave, and smaller appliances are found in this area. Counter space is important in this section. Conserve space by moving appliances off the counter with appliance garage cabinets and space-saving ideas like towel rods and pot lid rack. Cleanup station. One of the kitchen's most important cleanup. This area is home to the sink, waste disposal, and dishwasher. Cabinetry for this station is designed to organize with a trash bin cabinet and roll-out tray basket for storage convenience. Okay, there are 6 primary kitchen layout. The U-shaped kitchen. Named for the U-shape, it resembles to U. This kitchen is popular in large and small homes alike. The L-shaped kitchen. The kitchen shape is one of the most flexible and most popular, providing a compact triangle. The island option, ideal place to add an extra sink or an island grill. Yan, that's how it look like. The G-shaped kitchen. Built very much like U-shape, with the addition of an elongated partial wall. The G-shaped kitchen offers a great deal of the corridor gallery kitchen. This style kitchen make the most out of the smaller space. Okay. Then number 6, the single wall Pullman kitchen. Designed for homes or apartments, the single wall kitchen like that offers a very open and airy feel. Architectural kitchen symbols, diagrams, and layout. Ito yung makikita nyo sa plano ng mga bahay, mga buildings. Cabinet with sink, dryer, freestanding sink, fridge, hot water heater, shower, stove or range, toilet, washer. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. See you again for my next videos. God bless you. Ingat.